Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our University of Florence account. So let's get started. So to log into your University of Florence account, what you can do is just open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for University of Florence login. So after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this option which says University of Florence application online. After tapping on that, now in order to sign into your account, what you can do is just tap on this sign in or register option which is on the top right corner of our screen. Now for tapping on that, now in order to log into your account, what you can do is just simply enter your email address. After entering your email address, now just tap on continue and then enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, just tap on login or sign in. Now after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot our password, and after tapping on forgot our password, you can easily reset or recover your account's password by creating a new one. So that's it guys, this is how to log into our University of Florence account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.